All right, everybody. It's a beautiful, crisp, 35-degree morning here in Green Bay, Wisconsin. All the leaves fell from that tree. Not a single one fell from that one. That one started. And my other neighbor, her tree, hadn't even turned a single leaf yet. So I guess all the leaves from that tree are in my yard. I should have raked them yesterday, but I didn't feel like it. So let's go into my shop. I just did a small introduction before coming into my shop, showing the beautiful fall in Wisconsin this morning. It is a little bit brisk out there at 35 degrees, people. I haven't had a chance to do in my shop what I'd really need to do, not what I'd like to do, but some things that just need to get done that I've been slacking, putting off. Number one, over here behind me on this wall, right here beside of those cabinets, I need to put in some shelves. They need to go from about right here to about right here. My wife bought me some wonderful boxes about 8 months ago to put on the wall to put my pen supplies in. It hadn't got done. My workbench is always cluttered and just full of stuff. My other workbench is always cluttered and full of stuff. And when you're unorganized like I've always been, ask people that know me that have been to my shop, guys in my club and acquaintances and my best buddy Jason, they're always saying, why don't you straighten that up so you can find stuff? Well, I can come in here right now at 7 o'clock in the morning. I can come in here and I got this thought in my head, all right, I need to straighten up my shop when I go in there this morning. Okay. I come in here and all of a sudden I'm like, I'd really like to do that. Or I would, hey, you know what? Wow, I made some colors in my pressure pot last night. Let's look and see what's in there. So, I've got this board of colors nobody wants. Take my pressure pot, release some steam. It's just compressed air, there's no steam involved. And then, yeehaw. Pull that up. Set this back out of the way. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's go over to my workbench. I know, Ken, I know I need to not film when I'm walking. Alright, I'm going to turn this around. And stuff's still in the way. I don't know why that happened. Okay. I had to go over to my scroll saw and make a slight adjustment to the frame around my cell phone for filming. Alrighty, here we go. New colors coming out of the pot from last night. And here we have, I don't know what you'd call this baby, but it looks pretty good. How's that? I think one of my ladies might be interested in that. That doesn't look anything like anything I've done before. That's pretty cool. It's even got clear qualities. You can see through them. Look at that. That's pretty good looking pen blank. I know the guys that do writing pens are saying, nah, I don't do nothing like that. But my ladies that do diamond painting pens, they're sure gonna like that quality. All right, enough of that on that one. Set that to the side, get that out the way. And today, see, look, I came into my shop. Let me get myself here on camera. All right. I came in, looked around this morning outside at the beautiful scenery with all the leaves and everything going on. Came into my shop, started talking about a shelf that I need to make on that wall over there. Pulled my blanks out of the pressure pot. They're gorgeous, by the way. They really are. This purple and blue and gold, man, that came out just fantabulous. That looks really good. It does. So, anyway, took the stuff out of my pen mold, and right away, because that looks so cool, what's on my mind now? I want to mix another set of colors. So before I start on that wall, I'm making a shelf. Excuse me, my nose itches. I'm going to mix up another batch of Alumilite with some colors and get that into the pressure pot. I've only got one pot right now because the other one, I broke the device that tightens it down. I didn't break it, it stripped out. It's one of those really expensive pressure pots that comes from Harbor Freight Tools. Oops, I didn't say that. But the quality on these things is not, it's not like getting one by Binks, I tell you, or several other quality companies out there. The one I have, I've had for 3 years. It's lasted. It's done a good job. But these new ones, I don't know if the quality's quite there. It's not there. Trust me. And to put 40, 50 pounds of pressure in these new ones, I honestly, I don't know if it's safe. What if that clamp failed under pressure or while I'm putting it under pressure and broke? I'm sorry. It's if you watch NV Woodworks on YouTube, he shows you the pots he's buying now. They're expensive. They're a couple $100 more than a pressure pot from Harbor Freight, but they're quality pots, and I think they're going to last. So anyway, I'm rambling on again. I'm going to mix another batch of colors to go into my molds, and these are for mainly, man, my nose is itching terrible. Mainly for diamond painting pens. I've got folks buying them for writing pens, and they look really good on that too. But you got to paint the inside of your blanks, and some guys don't really want to deal with that. They just want to glue the tubes in the blanks and go. So here we go. I'm going to mix up another batch. I did a new technique on these here that I did yesterday. I don't know if I'm going to include the technique that I'm using exactly, but anyhow, first off, I need my stoner that I get from Alumilite. Just a light spray into my pen mold. Get that out the way. And then grab my scale. Why should I use that great big cup like this, a 24-ounce cup, for this mold, when I'm only putting 10 ounces in there, why not use a 16-ounce cup and put that on there. Grab a couple of mixing cups from over here, and I need 3 colors. Pearl Ex, blue green, and I don't want a lot, just probably a half a teaspoon. And then I want True Blue Pearl Ex, and here I'm going to go with Pearl Ex Interference Gold with a good amount of that, probably 3/4 of a teaspoon. And there, I've got that. Now I'm going to go with my Alumilite Clear Slow, 5 ounces of B. I don't know why, but I put B in first. And then I need 5 ounces of A. Hey Google, set timer for 12 minutes.
Sure, 12 minutes. Starting now.
Alright, I'm going to pour my Alumilite into each one of these, and I just want between a half an ounce and an ounce. I want it to be smooth, not thin, but just to run. And then I've got my Interference Gold. This stuff looks good. Gives it that shimmer effect that you look for in a blank. And you can get it with that other one. That looks better. Alright, now with that blue, I'm going to add red because I want my own kind of mix of purple here. Not but a little, just a little bitty drop of red. That Alumilite dye is very potent stuff. It only takes a little bit. There we go. Almost what I'm looking for. Almost, but not quite. Put the lid back on there because this stuff makes a mess. You get it on you, like right there, it's on my finger. I won't get that off for a week now. And then, where is my, there it is. All right, now I need the glitter. This is Mad Mica Sparkle Plenty. This is good stuff. Whoops, wrong one. Almost went to the wrong. And I'm probably going to put a teaspoon of that in there because I like the way this looks. Alright. Alrighty. Now I'm going to pour some clear into the bottom of my mold. And then I'm going to add my glitter. Sparkle Plenty from Mad Mica. I'm just doing a string right down the middle. And I didn't use it all because I want to do something. Now here's my blue-green. I'm adding it right to the top. Alright, now I'm going to take my purpley color and I'm going to add that right to the top. And the last mold always gets whatever's left. And then I'm going to take my Interference Gold and a little bit more Sparkle Plenty, not a lot. I just added my secret color. I can't tell you what it is. Okay, Google. Stop timer. Putting this in real quick. Just buttoning up my pressure pot. And there's my assistant. She's helping me out this morning. And she's hungry. She wants to go to breakfast. I told them the kids I'd take them to Golden Corral this morning. All right. Let's see here. All right. There I just mixed up Pearl Ex blue-green, Pearl Ex blue, Pearl Ex interference gold, and then I added a little bit of Alumilite red in the blue to make a purple haze, and my secret color, and I've got that in the pressure pot, and it'll be out. Hey Google, what time is it?
It's 9:02.
That'll be ready at noon. When it comes out, I'll show you guys what it looks like, and I'm gonna make my video today. And all right, everybody, happy Sunday. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. I had to go do some necessity shopping, we call it. This is what I just took out of the pot that I mixed up earlier with the blue and the gold and a little bit of purple. It turned out really cool. I think it looks awesome. So hopefully somebody will like it and they want to buy it. All right, my name's Kevin. Thanks for watching. Here's the other one that I took out earlier. And then here's my board with all my colors, and I got a bunch over there as well. Always got blanks, always. If you don't see a color you like here, you let me know and we'll come up with it. All right, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.